It's not the charger, it's the battery pack. The way phones are wired, power goes to the battery pack first and then to the phone electronics. If the battery is more than 18 months old and you keep it plugged in a lot, that is, T allow the phone's battery to discharge near empty each time, then battery life will be shortened. Keep phones in temperature extremes will have the same effect. Would recommend you consider getting one of those emergency chemical batteries for your cell phone and try that first before shelling out the bucks for a new NIM battery. Remember, phone companies T makes batteries. Most are made by Matsushita, Panasonic, or Sanyo. Bought out J's rechargeable battery business many years ago. This may help you locate less expensive OEM batteries for your phone.